Hi everybody, today we're going to teach you how to program EVPAD remote with your TV remote. First, make sure you insert battery into remote control. You can follow instruction guide over here step by step. Press TV power button for about 5 seconds until red LED lamp keep lighting. Then the remote will enter into learning state. Now remote already into learning status. Press the button that you want to program. First we try to set power TV on off button. Now point both remote together and press the TV power button to program. The LED light will flash for 3 times, meaning it already successfully programmed the button. Okay, now we set for negative volume button. Then point both remote together. Press TV remote negative volume button to set it. Now we have successfully programmed negative volume button. Then do the same step for positive volume button. Now we set for AV button. Press the AV button, then the remote will turn into learning state. Point both remote together and press TV remote's AV button. We have successfully programmed for AV button. Now repeat the same steps to set for mute button. Okay, now mute button has been successfully programmed. All learning remote button already programmed into EVPAD remote. Press any button below to exist learning function program. Now we try press EVPAD remote that we have programmed just now on the TV.